Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of my channel. I am Kishal. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'll discuss about that how you will choose which IIT or IISc is best suited for you for your M.Tech curriculum in computer science. So it has been seen in previous years that mostly GATE toppers used to choose different colleges based on the previous trend that has been followed. Like if you have a very good GATE rank, like around within 100, if your rank is, then most likely you will be choosing IISc Bangalore or IIT Bombay. If you rank it beyond 100, maybe first you will choose IIT Delhi, then maybe you will choose IIT Madras, Kanpur, Kharagpur. So this is kind of the trend that has been followed there, and there is no harm in it. I mean, you won't be losing much if you follow the trend. But if you think and if you do a survey in detail, maybe your life for the M.Tech will be a bit easier. Because personally I feel you have to think of two parameters when you are choosing your M.Tech college. First of all is the placement statistics. Now most of the IITs has kind of similar placement statistics, so you won't find much difference in the placement statistics in different colleges. And the second thing is that is the research attribute, or how you will be doing your M.Tech research or M.Tech project, the research in the M.Tech project. That also matters, because that will make you skillful on a particular skill set or on a particular specialization, because M.Tech is a specialized course, and after M.Tech people thinks that you are an expert in a particular sub area or in some specific direction. So that's why M.Tech project and the research work that will be doing a part of that M.Tech project is also very important. So while you will be choosing your M.Tech college, you have to look into both of these criteria. So that's why in this video I'll tell you about these two criteria, and I will show you some demonstration that which colleges are good in different sub areas of computer science, and I will show you different professors working in different IITs and IISc in different sub areas, and they are doing great research in the last 5 to 6 years. So I hope that demonstration will be helpful for you to choose the best IIT or IISc for your M.Tech admission. So if you want to know in detail about it, please stay tuned with this video till end. And before starting the video, as I always say, if you are new to this particular channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications whenever I'll upload a video. And if you like this video, please like it and share this video to other people. So without further ado, let's get started into today's video. So the first parameter is the placement statistics, and I have already made a video about it, that placement statistics are misleading. If you are just looking at the highest salary that is being offered for an M.Tech student in a particular year, that won't tell the full story about placement session of that year. So first of all, there is a difference between the CTC and the base salary. And the second thing is, even if you are joining a college which has a very good highest salary or highest CTC last year, it doesn't guarantee that you also will be getting that salary. So there is no guarantee that those highest salary or highest CTC that you used to see, that only 1 or 2 students will be getting. So rest 40-50 students, they won't be getting that salary. So the average salary is what you have to look at. And also the final thing I have discussed in that video is that this is your first job. I mean, this is not the last job that you are getting. This is the first job. This is just the starting of your career. After 2 through 3 years, you'll be switching the company, you'll be getting promotions, your salary will be getting hiked. So you shouldn't be much worried about placement statistics, and more or less all the IITs have similar placement statistics. And if in a particular year there are some recession, there are some COVID issues, like in 2020 COVID issue was there, last year recession was there, and I have seen in IISc, IIT Kharagpur, and I hope in other IITs also, recession has made a lot of effect in the placement statistics. So that's why placement scenario is more or less same in all the IITs and IISc. So you shouldn't be much worried about it. I have made a detailed video of it. I'll be giving the link in the description, or it might come in the I button. You must check it out. The next important thing that you need to consider before joining a college is the research attribute that you are getting from that college. That means, what are the professors doing active research in different areas of computer science. That is also very important. And people have a bias here. People think that IISc is the best research institutions, IIT Bombay is also doing great research, but other IITs may not be that good. But that's not completely true. Obviously IISc Bangalore, IIT Bombay is doing great research in different areas of computer science, but that doesn't mean that other IITs are doing nothing. There are good researchers in other IITs like IIT Kanpur, IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur. Triple IIT Hyderabad, IIT Hyderabad, so IIT Patna even. So there are good research group that is there in these IITs also. So that's why I'll take you now to a web page called CS Ranking, and I'll demonstrate you that different sub areas of computer science, how different IITs are doing, and you will see that there is a change in ranking now based on different sub areas, and I'll show you different professors doing active research in those sub areas, and I hope that this will help you to have a detailed idea about research in different IITs and IISc. So without any delay, I'll take you to that particular website. Yeah, so this is the website, that is CS ranking or computer science ranking. So you will get here the ranking of all top computer science institutions around the world, and there are a few filters that you can select, like you can choose your country from here. You can, if you want to see publication record from one particular range of years, that also you can choose here. And there are three or four subfield that is there in computer science, that is AI or machine learning, systems, theory, that means algorithms and theoretical part of the computer science, and finally interdisciplinary areas like bioinformatics, computer graphics and all. So you can choose whatever filter you want to use. In this specific video, I am talking about Indian institutions, so that's why I'll choose country as India. And suppose I just want to see the last 50 from 2015 onward the data. So this is the overall ranking. If you select all the areas, IISc Bangalore comes in the top, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, Kanpur, Madras, Kharagpur, then Triple IIT Hyderabad, Triple IIT Delhi, IIT Hyderabad, Triple IIT Bangalore, and so on and so forth. Now suppose a person is only interested in theoretical computer science, then you have to switch off AI, you have to switch off system, and you have to switch off interdisciplinary areas. Now you see, then IISc Bangalore comes in the top, IIT Bombay in the third, IIT Madras will come, IIT Bombay will come in the second place, IIT Madras will come in the third place, then obviously TIFR Bombay will come in the fourth, MSc will come, IIT Kanpur will come, Chennai Mathematical Institution will come. So you can see that these are the institutions, they are renowned more for the theoretical computer science, so that's why they are coming in top. For example, if you go in detail of IISc Bangalore, then you will find all the professors who are working only on theoretical computer science, like Chaya Ganesh madam, she is working on cryptography, Arpita Patra, she is working on cryptography, Chandan Sahad, he is also from cryptography, Bhavna ma'am is also from cryptography. So all these four people, they are coming from cryptography, that comes under theoretical computer science, so that's why their name coming in top. Then Arindam Khan, I hope all of you know about him. All of these professors, they are working only on the theoretical computer science, so that's why their name are coming. And you can see number of publications they have published since 2015. If you go to IIT Bombay, these are professors. I don't know many of them, but yeah, these are professors. You can look into if you are thinking that you will be joining IIT Bombay and want to work in theoretical computer science. IIT Madras also, these are professors that is there. You can check their profile also. Suppose if you go and for Arindam Khan, suppose this is his home page. Then the next one is his Google Scholar page. So if you just click here in the home page, it will redirect you to the his home page. It's a Google Scholar page, then DBLP page. So all is coming. So Google Scholar page is here, DBLP page is here. So I don't know, somehow maybe it's not redirecting to the home page, but yeah, all the details also you are getting from here only. So this is how it is. So if you are interested to do your M.Tech in theoretical computer science, your first choice should be IISc Bangalore, IIT Bombay, and please look into the professor's profile also. From there also you can choose which particular professors you can approach to for your M.Tech project. Now suppose someone is interested in system, not in the theoretical computer science, then he has to turn the system on and turn the theory off. Then also IISc Bangalore is coming in top, but IIT Bombay now has gone to the 5th place. IIT Delhi has captured the 2nd place. If you go, Argapraho Basu, he is working on architecture. Uday sir is working on HPC. Again, Arpita Patra is coming for the cryptography. K. Gopinath is working on architecture. Binod Ganapati, he's working on security. Jayant Hadissa for database. Aditya Kanade again for software engineering and machine learning and all. So these are all professors is coming now. IIT Delhi, Sayan Danu works on database. Amitabh Bagchi is also working on database. So these are the professors you can look into if you are thinking of joining IIT Delhi. Next, IIT Kanpur also, these are different professors that you can look into. So this is how it is. Now the ranking has been changed. Now suppose you are not interested in system, you are interested in AI machine learning, then you have to select AI machine learning, and you have to turn the system off. Now you see how the ranking is changed. IIT Bombay now comes in top. IISc Bangalore has gone to the third place. So as I was saying, it's not always that IISc Bangalore is in the top place. IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi will come in the top 2. IISc Bangalore will come in the third place. Fourth place IIT Kharagpur will come. Fifth place IIT Kanpur will come, and sixth place IIT Madras will come. Now if I go into detail of it, all of these professors, I hope many of you know: Pushpa Bhattacharya, Somin Chakravarti, Sunita ma'am, Professor Abir De. They are all Pushpak sir is for NLP, Somin sir NLP, AI, information retrieval, this kind of thing. Sunita ma'am, Abid De is for ML. Siddharth Chaudhary is for vision. Ganesh sir again for AI ML. Preeti ma'am is for speech. So all of these professor is there. So IIT Bombay is the best place, as I said, for AI machine learning. You will get all the variety of subdomain under a particular department, under CSE department at IIT Bombay. Next, if you go to IIT Delhi, Professor Mausam works for natural language processing. Parag sir works on AI machine learning. Chetan sir is for vision. Sayan Danu works on database plus graph machine learning. So this is how it is. If you come to IISc Bangalore, here there is a catch. Professor Partha Talukdar is now in sabbatical. He is not a part of, he is in sabbatical and he is working in Google now. So you have to remove this entry from here, and then you have to decide. Yes, but compared to other IITs, I think that IISc is a bit lagging in AI or machine learning. So these are professors that you can look into. One more thing, Professor Narasimha Murthy has already retired. Also, he was my M.Tech guide during my M.Tech days there. So these two entries you have to remove, and then you have to decide. Coming to IIT Kharagpur, Professor Nilay Ganguly and Professor Pawan Goyal is my now advisor and co-advisor for PhD. So they are the best choices if you are coming to IIT Kharagpur. Professor Animesh Mukherjee is there. Palas De works on game theory. Animesh Mukherjee works on hate speech, AI, fairness and all. Surangshu Bhattacharya works on web and information retrieval. Professor Abid Das works on vision, and so on and so forth. So all of these professors, they work on various areas. So they are not they covers a lot of areas of machine learning. Now if I think IIT Kanpur, Professor Piyush Rai is the best choice if you are going for IIT Kanpur. Purushottam Kaur is also is very good. If you want to work on core machine learning. If you are interested in vision, then go for Professor Binay Navduri, but I don't know whether he is now in IIT Kanpur or not. Maybe he has left IIT Kanpur. Ashutosh Modi is for NLP, Arnab Bhattacharya for web and IR, and so on and so forth. Sixth position you will get IIT Madras because of Mitesh Khabra and Bala Ravindran sir. They are renowned researchers. Mitesh Khabra is for NLP and Bala Ravindran is for RL, reinforcement learning. Then surprisingly, in the 7th place, we have IIIT Hyderabad. This is really, really good. IIIT Hyderabad is doing really great research in AI machine learning, and I hope all of you have heard about Professor C.V. Jauhar. He is a stalwart in computer vision, and there are other professors also there. And now there is also one thing that you can choose even the sub area. So suppose here all the sub area of AI is chosen. So suppose you are not interested in artificial intelligence, you can turn it off. You are not interested in web information retrieval, then also you can turn it off. Then if you just interested in computer vision, suppose, then see IIIT Hyderabad is coming top because of C.V. Jauhar sir. If you are only interested in natural language processing and not computer vision, then see IIT Bombay is coming in top because of Pushpak sir and Somin sir. IISc Bangalore is coming in top second position because of Partha sir. So if you remove him, I think IISc Bangalore won't be here. IIT Delhi professor, because of Professor Mausam, it will come in the second place. So this is how it is. I mean, you have to see, you have to do a proper survey on all these sub areas, even in the system also. Suppose if you are not interested in all of these things, suppose you are only interested in computer architecture, then just turn the other things off and see how it gives the result. First, see the ranking. See IISc Bangalore coming in top for architecture because of Professor Agapo Basu. He works really well in the architecture. So this is how you have to do. You have to select all the different permutation combinations and see which of the professors are doing great research on a particular sub area, because in AI or in your M.Tech you will be working on a very very fine area, fine-grained area or fine-grained problem statement. So that's why it's very important that you do a proper survey of the different institutions that is there and which are the professors they are doing research on that area. I hope this demonstration will help you further to take a very good decision. So yeah, that's it guys, that's it about the page that is CS ranking. I'll be giving the link in the description, or you can just search in the Google about CS ranking, and the first link that you'll be getting is about that particular web page. I would suggest you that please, please have a survey of that web page, spend some time there, try out different permutation combination, different year you choose, and if you are interested to look into the data of other countries also, that is also there. I have just shown you the the data of India, because in this video I was talking about India, but if someone has an interest of joining foreign university for their PhD and they are not getting enough detail, you can just change the filter and see which are the colleges are good in USA or Germany or UK, and that will be helpful for your PhD also. So I hope this demonstration will be beneficial for you. This will help you to choose which IIT based on your interest, and that eventually will help you to take a better decision. So if you have liked this video, please like it and share this video to other people, make it reachable to other people so that they also get benefited from this. And if you are new to this particular channel, I'll recommend you please go through my channel, and if you found it helpful, please subscribe my channel so that whenever I upload a video, you will have instant notification. That's it about this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye.